Welcome. I'm really excited to dive into the fascinating world of Cucurbita today. Let's kick off with the basics. Can you tell us a bit about what Cucurbita actually is?
Absolutely. It's a genus of herbaceous vines in the gourd family Cucurbitaceae, which includes species like pumpkins and squash. It's native to the Andes and Mesoamerica.
Cucurbita seems to have a rich history and cultural significance. Could you touch on the domestication and spread of these plants?
Sure, there's archaeological evidence that suggests Cucurbita was domesticated over 8,000 years ago in various parts of the Americas. It spread from the southern United States to Argentina and Chile, playing a significant role in indigenous agriculture.
That's impressive. I understand there are different species within this genus. What are the key differences among them?
There are 5 domesticated species: C. argyrosperma, C. ficifolia, C. maxima, C. moscata, and C. pepo. Each one has unique characteristics. For instance, C. pepo includes summer squashes and some pumpkins. C. maxima is known for large winter squashes like Hubbard and kabocha.
And how do these species vary in terms of their habitats and growing conditions?
Great question. For example, C. maxima originated in the cooler, frost-free climates of South America, while C. moscata thrives in hot, humid, tropical areas. These adaptability traits have influenced their cultivation worldwide.
Speaking of cultivation, how have cultivation practices evolved over time for these plants?
Cultivation practices have evolved significantly. Traditionally, they were part of the Three Sisters method of planting alongside maize and beans. Modern techniques now involve selective breeding and use of growth regulators to maximize fruit size and yield.
With such diversity, there must be specific pollination strategies. Part of the reproductive biology of Cucurbita involves pollination, right?
Exactly. Cucurbita plants are monoecious, featuring both male and female flowers on the same plant. Specialist bees like squash bees are crucial for pollination, although generalists like honeybees also contribute.
And are there any interesting ecological interactions or challenges these plants face?
Yes, species in this genus can be susceptible to pests such as the squash bug and diseases like Fusarium wilt. They also engage in ecological interactions as food sources for various Lepidoptera larvae and many other creatures.
How about the uses and nutritional benefits? Can you highlight some of these?
Certainly, Cucurbita species are incredibly nutritious, rich in vitamin A, C, and several B vitamins. They're used in a variety of culinary applications, from savory soups to sweet pumpkin pies. Seeds, known as pepitas, are also a valuable source of protein and healthy oils.
Let's not forget the cultural aspects. How have Cucurbita fruits been represented in art and traditions?
They've been depicted in indigenous art for thousands of years and are integral to cultural events like Thanksgiving in the U.S. and the Fiesta Nacional del Zapallo in Argentina. Their adaptability and growth patterns are also celebrated in festivals worldwide.
It's fascinating how these plants are so woven into the fabric of cultures and economies. Any closing thoughts on Cucurbita?
The diversity and resilience of Cucurbita are truly remarkable. Whether in a historic context or contemporary society, they continue to be vital not just for food, but also for their cultural and aesthetic values.